Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentino. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to create stunning real estate social media post design in Photoshop. So let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is to create a new workspace. So to do so, go to File, New. I'll be using 10 by 10 inches. Background color is white. Let's change it. Let's rename our project Real Estate Real Estate Design. So hit create. So first thing we're going to do is to create our background. So go to this rectangle layer, click, drag and drop. So click on this place, click here, click on this. So change the color to sky blue, kind of sky blue color. Change this to like this. I think this is okay. So let's create another rectangle. Change it to black. So Ctrl J, duplicate this rectangle. Ctrl T, transform. Right click on it, skew. So click on the rectangle layer, go here and remove the outline. We don't need the outline. So select this and select this. Okay. So I will teach you how to create this. So let me teach you how to create this. So in case you are having, okay, let's use this. So click here, go to this place, change the color to this, change this one to a little darker. A little darker. Click OK. Rotate this. This is cool. So duplicate this, Ctrl J to duplicate it. First, let's remove outline on this. Okay. Duplicate this, Ctrl T to transform. Like this. Double click on the layer. Change this, turn it like this. Ctrl T to transform. Increase this. Expand it so that it will fit this place. Okay. Click on this black one at the back, bring it up a little like this. Click on this, Ctrl T to transform, rotate it like this. Yeah. So let's create another rectangle. Click on this. So draw a new rectangle like this. So I think this is okay. So let me increase this a little. Okay, I think this is okay. Control S to save. Always save so that you will lose your work. Always save. So click on this, shift it a little bit, Control T to transform, enter, Control S to save. So let's bring in our image, place embedded. So let's bring in these images. Place embedded. Place embedded. Control T to transform. Reduce the size. Press enter. So let's create a shape here so that we'll add these images inside them. So let's create a shape. Okay. Control T to transform. Right click on the layer, select skew, draw this down like this. Okay. Control J to duplicate the layer, bring this down. Control T to transform. Sorry, reduce this. Okay. Control T to transform. Right click, flip horizontal. So I want it to be like this. So let me change the color so you will see what I'm doing. Okay. Control J to duplicate the layer, bring this down like this. So this will be here. So let's place in our images inside this place. Okay. So bring this image up. So let's hide this too first. So let's remove the background of this image so that we'll have control over the image, so that the background won't distract us. Okay. So click on this magic eraser tool, click on the image, remove it like this, like this. Okay. So drag the image to this place, right click on the layer, create clipping mask. Okay. Okay. So enable this image too. So let's remove the background too. Click on it, and remove the background. Okay. So take it to this place. Right click on the layer, create a clipping mask. Okay. Create a clipping mask. Control T to transform. Bring it up a little. Okay. So this won't be here. So let me use the second image. Enable this image. So let me remove the background too. Click on it and remove the background. So let me do it a quick way. Select this lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and crop, so that all these all this background that looks like splash will go out. So let me delete. Ctrl G to deselect. Okay, bring it here. Create a clipping mask. I click on the layer, create a clipping mask. Okay, this is okay. So let me take this one to this place. Ctrl T to transform. Right click on the layer, flip horizontal. Okay. Sorry. Bring it up here. So create a clipping mask. Okay. This is cool. So Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Duplicate the layer. Drag it to this place. I drag it to this layer under this image, so it is inside this place. You see it? Okay. So let's bring in another image. Place embedded. This sky. Ctrl T to transform. So let's duplicate this into 3. Press Ctrl J. 1, 2. So it's 3 now. So let me place it inside this, between these power clips, so that it will be, I want it to go inside these images. So I want to use it as our sky. I want to use it as our sky. So let's drag these two. Ctrl T to transform. Drag it so that it will fit well. Okay. So let's drag these two. Keep it here. Okay. Ctrl T to transform. Increase it to. So go to this layer, this particular layer. That is this. Okay. Double click on it. Apply a drop shadow. Press OK. So let's group all the layers. Hold Shift to select all. Ctrl G to group all the layer. Ctrl T to transform. So increase it a little. Ctrl T to transform. Ctrl T to transform. Sorry. Okay. Ctrl T to transform. Shift this and this. Ctrl T to transform. So I'm trying to arrange this so that it will look good. Okay. Ctrl G to transform. Enter. Sorry. So the next thing we're going to do is to let's make these images to have this sky blue color. So select hold Control, click on this image, so select it, press Ctrl B on your keyboard, increase your blue, increase this, okay. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard, select these two, Ctrl B, increase this, increase this. So it's looking cool now. They are looking cool. Now Ctrl S to save. So let's type in our test. Classic. Ctrl G to transform. Change it to black. Pick color from here. Make it. Change it to Nexa light. Okay. Okay. Ctrl G to transform. Modern. Change it to bold heavy. Ctrl G to transform. So I'll change the font to, I'll be using Montserrat. Okay. So for sale. Let me use Nexa bold heavy. Ctrl T to transform. So let me decrease this a little. Ctrl G to transform. Enter. So increase this. Okay. So double click on the layer. Go to gradient overlay. So I'll pick a gradient for it. Saying this is okay. Group the layer. Ctrl G to group. Let's group these two. This background too. Ctrl G to group. Ctrl S to save. Okay. So click on this place. I want to hide this grass a little bit. Okay. Okay. So let me type in our test. Select the test tool. Click book now. Change it to yellow, pure yellow. Change the color of the outline to yellow. Make it 4. Or let's change the color of the outline to white. Change it to white, pure white. Okay. Ctrl G to group it. Bring this down a little. Ctrl S to save. So let's type in the remaining tests. then sorry, 10% down, down payment, booking from 2,000, premium location, easy installment. Okay, change the color to white. Control T to transform. So let me change the font to next. Change the font. Let me change the font to Montserrat. Okay, this is okay. So click on this place. Let's separate the text. Let's adjust it very well. Move this down. Okay. Control T to transform. This is okay. So right click on this place, select this ellipse tool, come to this place, draw something, so draw a circle, a small circle like this, change it to black, pure black, remove the outline. So Control J to duplicate it, sorry. Control T to transform it, bring this to the center, change the color to yellow. So hold Control, select it and group it. Then Control J to duplicate it. So keep duplicating it. Keep duplicating it so that it will be in all the letters. Okay. Hold Shift and select all. Align them to the center. Okay. Shift it a little bit. Select this and group all of them. Control G to group. Okay. Control S to save. Okay. So hover over to this place, right click on it, select custom shapes. So our shape is already selected. So I'll be using this icon. It's here. The icon is here. So if you want to use it, you look for it here. It's here. So you see the icon here. Hold Shift and draw it. Make the color black, pure black. Remove the outline. Duplicate the layer. Control J to duplicate it. Control T to transform. Reduce this duplicated one. Enter. Double click on the layer. Pick yellow from this place. Okay, let me use pure yellow. Okay, let me pick yellow from here. So all of them will have a uniform yellow. Yeah. Hold Control, select the two and group them. Okay. Control S to save. So let me type in the remaining text. Draw a rectangle here. Something like this. Okay. Click on this place click on gradient. So I'll be using this. Change this place to white. Double click it, change it to white. Change this to white too. Click on this place, remove the outline. Okay. Ctrl T to transform. Okay. Ctrl S to save. So without wasting much of our time, so let me go over to the original design and pick this thing. I have already typed it, so let me just drag it and drop. Let me drag it and drop so that it won't waste our time. So you cool down and type it. So see it here. So group it. So you cool down and type it. Okay. Ctrl S to save. So select this rectangle. Draw a black rectangle here. Select black. Ctrl T to transform. Increase it a little bit. Click here. Remove the outline. Move it. Okay. Ctrl S to save. So guys, I hope you are enjoying what I'm doing. So if you like what I'm doing and you want me to keep dropping videos like this, please go to my channel, click on subscribe button, turn on your notification so that you receive notification anytime I drop any new video. Okay. Hope you have done that. So let's continue. Let me type in the remaining tests in this design. So click on test 2. Okay, first let me click on this rectangle layer. Select this rounded rectangle. Okay. Draw something like this. A rounded rectangle. Shape it. Okay. Change the color to yellow. Let me pick yellow from here. Okay. Drag and drop it here. Okay. Let me reduce this rectangle. This rectangle, it is too big. So Ctrl G to transform. I click on the layer on this rectangle too. So let me draw a circle here. So if you want to draw a rounded shape, hold shift while dragging it. Okay. Go to this place, this rectangle layer, select this custom shape, pick this, change the color to yellow. Okay. So let's write contact us. Contact us. Change it to black. Ctrl T to transform. Keep it here. So let me drag in these ones so that it won't waste our time. So I've showed you how to create something like this. So we'll be deleting this too. Okay. So let's summarize our design. Hold Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all these layers to one layer. Click on camera raw. Increase this. Go to this layer. Hue and saturation. Increase this. Increase this to. Increase this to yellow. Increase yellow to. Press OK. Ctrl S to save. So guys, this is end of today's tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will attend to you immediately I see your comments. So thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.